Hey everyone, Steve from M-Spec Performance out here in Lindenhurst, Long Island. Just wanted to give you guys an example of why we do a vehicle health inspection on every vehicle that comes through the doors, just like going to your doctor for a yearly physical. I had a client that brought me a Mini Cooper for a shifting concern on his manual transmission. While we did find out what was wrong with the transmission, he also did have a couple of other items wrong with the car. Number one, a blown out strut for his front suspension that he had no idea even existed in the car. Just wanted to show an example of what a blown strut looks like. You can see clearly it's all wet here, and when you push down, it goes down easy and does not come back up like a new good strut should.
Yeah, it just doesn't come back up at all. That's ridiculous. Yeah, it's just completely stuck and leaky.